Finding the best 10-quart crock pot can feel hard when you just want one that cooks a big meal without stress. The best 10-quart crock pot is one that heats evenly, fits large cuts of meat, and handles game day chili or holiday roasts with ease. I've tested big slow cookers for family dinners and potlucks across the US, so I know what works and what falls short. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 10-quart Sear and Cook Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart Sear and Cook Slow Cooker makes big meals feel easy. I love that I can brown meat first using the Stovetop-safe pot. Then I place it back in the base to slow cook. That saves time and builds deep flavor. The 15 heat options also give real control. I can choose the exact time and heat I need. It feeds a crowd with no stress. The pot is lighter than ceramic, so lifting feels easier. It does take up space, but that is normal for 10 quarts. Overall, it feels flexible, powerful, and great for hosting. Number 4. HOMECOOKIN 10-quart Brown Digital Slow Cooker. The HOMECOOKIN 10-quart Brown Digital Slow Cooker is made for big meals and happy gatherings. It fits a large turkey or roast, so it works well for family parties. I love the touch panel. It feels simple and clear to use. The Auto Keep Warm mode turns on after cooking, which keeps food ready without stress. That feature really helps when guests arrive at different times. The brown finish looks warm and stylish on the counter. Cleanup is easy since the crock and lid are dishwasher safe. It is a bit large, so you need space. Still, it feels reliable and great for feeding a crowd. Number 3. HOMECOOKIN 10-quart Gray Digital Slow Cooker. The HOMECOOKIN 10-quart Gray Digital Slow Cooker is perfect for large family meals and gatherings. It holds a big roast or whole turkey with ease. I really like the digital timer. It lets me set low or high with a simple touch. The Auto Keep Warm mode turns on after cooking, so food stays hot without overcooking. That makes hosting less stressful. The display is clear and modern. Cleanup is easy since the lid and crock are dishwasher safe. It does take up space on the counter, but that is expected for 10 quarts. If you want the best 10-quart crock pot programmable, this one is a solid pick. Number 2. Magic Mill 10-quart Slow Cooker. The Magic Mill 10-quart slow cooker is a great choice for large meals and family gatherings. It easily fits a big roast or whole chicken, which makes weekend cooking simple. What makes it stand out is the Stovetop-safe pot. You can sear meat right on the flame, then place it back in the cooker to slow cook. That adds rich flavor without extra pans. The non-stick metal pot also makes cleanup quick and stress-free. I like the clear glass lid for easy checking. It is lightweight for its size, though it does take up space. Overall, it feels sturdy, practical, and built for big batches. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 10-quart Stay or Go Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart Stay or Go Slow Cooker is made for big family meals and busy weekends. If you need the best 10-quart crock pot with locking lid, this one truly delivers. I love how it fits a large roast or even a whole turkey with room to spare. It easily feeds 12 or more people, which makes holiday cooking feel less stressful. One feature I really appreciate is the lid lock clips. They hold the lid tight, so there are fewer spills on the way to a potluck. The 10-quart capacity is perfect for batch cooking or meal prep. The dial controls are simple. Just turn it to low, high, or warm and walk away. Cleanup is easy too, since the crock and lid go in the dishwasher. It is a bit heavy, but that is expected for this size. Overall, it's reliable, roomy, and great for gatherings. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend the Hamilton Beach 10-quart Stay or Go Slow Cooker as the top pick. Its large capacity, lid lock clips, and simple controls make it perfect for big family meals, potlucks, or holiday gatherings. It's reliable, easy to carry, and cleanup is a breeze, making it a true all-rounder for anyone who loves stress-free cooking. For a specific need, I recommend the Magic Mill 10-quart slow cooker. Its stovetop-safe pot and non-stick design make it ideal if you want to sear meat first and then slow cook in the same pot. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the slow cooker that best fits your style and kitchen needs.